She's sleeping and I'm
on power flash.
I'm just like, yeah, I've got to turn people up. I can't hardly hear.
Whoa, that shook the car.
24.
Whoa,
Pressure 938 millibars.
Another one.
Max sustained winds 140.
There's wind. Still don't match that pressure, but it's whatever. Landfall pressure 938. Maximum sustained 140.
Strip mall is being shredded by 100-mile-per-hour winds. Helene has officially made landfall.
Whoa!
I'll keep looking, Jen.
Whoa! Damn, that was a big one.
Hurricane warning.
You think? Did you see all them power flashes?
Yeah, I did. They showed up well on your live feed, according to my guy in Indiana. Okay.
It just made landfall, so it's about to get crazy.
Yeah.
Whoa, me. Whoa!
Hurricane warning. Hurricane warning.
Oh yeah, there's chasers all over this garage. Yeah, it made landfall.
What they'll say.
Landfall was Perry.
Landfall would be their Big Bend Wildlife Management.
It made me jump, I'm not gonna lie.
You see the power flashes?
You would turn it down on the
Oh, more.
chat box.
Make me a cup of coffee with my caramel macchiato creamer.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Tempted on making a Cinderella latte.
Oh my God, yeah, that was so much fun. We just got up there and stood in the wind. Power flash, y'all missed it.
Missed it.
Damn, did you see that?
What?
You miss every power flash, don't you? Whoa! Could you see that power flash? Whoa! 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 Yeah, there you go. What was that gust? Cool. It was really, yeah, it was fun working with you, yeah. Get with me and Brady can help you get set up for streaming.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay. Oh, I knew it. I knew we'd get power flashes right there. How you doing, Bree? How's Alaska treating you, girl? Hey, 30 show, what's going on? Woo! Now you're talking. By the way, people on YouTube, I'm talking to the 30 show and Bree Skies TV. They have great content on Twitch. They're up in Alaska. It's pretty cool. Man, what was that? Whoa! Whoa! Damn. Eric just left and he's probably in the crap right now. He's got to pull off probably. He's got to pull off. Oh, damn. Oh, now there it is. Whoa. Yeah, it's shaking my whole car. Whoa! Have a good night, husband.
Just gave you a Mexican.
Whoa. Woo. We get some shit now. How's all your 30s doing?
That outer band that you have rolling through is potent.
It sure is.
Also, the life cam on the tiki bar at Cedar Key. We're waiting on the fish to swim by.
We're waiting on the fish to swim by.
The wave as a swimmer. Hey!
Thank you
Well, I
all
mean,
for
you
coming
can't see
over.
anything else but the ocean. So, I'm figuring we wait on the fish.
Whoa! Whoa! Shake, rattle, and roll.
Until 01:45 a.m. EDT. At 1258 a.m. EDT, a confirmed waterspout was located 7 miles east of Field, moving north at 60 miles per hour.
This is better than the Weather Channel? Oh, there you go. I like the sound of that. How you doing, Sauce? Nella. Hey, Knitter. Orange Gorilla. Can I get out of here? Probably not with the flooding. I'm not sure how bad the flooding is, but I'd say it's probably some flooding, so. I'll be fine here. These parking garages are meant to hold tons and tons and tons of weight. Place to be. Maybe not up on the top here like this. I'm a little crazy for doing that. Because, you know, debris can fly.